Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Again, I have changed my strategy. If you've been following me at all, you know I do that quite often. And the latest has come because of just the massive drop in prices of the cards. And I'll go into that in a second. But here's the thing. I've axed first I axed the potions and then I axed the packs. And the reason is the packs, the cards you're getting out of the packs right now are so cheap. You're buying a $4 pack, and on average, you're getting 50 cents worth of cards on average. Now you can get $100, $200 card, but with the prices so low and there's such a difference, if you were getting $4 for a $4 pack at the minimum, that would be the ideal situation, but that's not the case right now. And so I'll show you in a second. Let's go ahead and do the reward for the day. So for right now, every other day, I'm just going to take that $10 and instead of buying two packs, I'm going to buy some cards, and I'll show you what I bought today or last night. Okay, so claim rewards. I'm still stunk in bronze. I'm at bronze 1, though. I worked my way up from bronze 2. Got up to about 800 some, got knocked back down to 9 or 700. So the rewards are at the bronze level, which is not that great. You want to be in the silver or higher. That's when you can actually win a pack, better cards, better DC instead of credits. And wow, I got a rare today. So, well, there you go. There's an example. That's why you play, right? So I got a rare card as a reward. And remember, you can only get these cards out of the chest. All right. So instead of a pack and a reward opening, I'm just going to do the reward every day for right now. But let's go look at what I bought last night with the $10. And the first thing you'll notice is look at my CP number, a record high. I went from 86 up 4,000 CPs just by doing it this way. And also the value shot up and my profit shot up. So for right now, the best strategy for me is to put that $10 into direct purchase of cards out of the market. And I'll show you right here what I bought. Right now, for especially on the rewards, you can get okay, I did a lot of buying. That $10 got me a lot of shit. Purchase. Look at them all. Look at all that. Okay. Right here. Purchase. That's the 15th. April 16th. April 17th. Hold on now. Okay, I got it worked out here. So what I was doing, taking my rent money and buying, I'm building right now the Pellicore Bandit. I want to max him out, right? And that's a regular foil, and it takes 400 of those. I'm getting them at 2 cents or less a piece right now. So I'm using all my rental money right here. That was yesterday, and buy. So I bought it now. Right here is where I did the $10 that I put in every other day that you know about. And for $7.90, I got a 10th level Pellicle Mercenary reward card, 400 count, okay, maxed out for $7.90. Absolutely cheap. And I think it's gone even cheaper since then. So my strategy is going to be for the next few days. Plus, with the change left over, I bought 3 gold cards, the Veneri Heatsmith, and then I bought a whole bunch more of the regular foil Pellicore Bandit. And that's my strategy now for the next couple weeks until the prices start to come up. Because unless you get something really good in the packs, you're not, you can't say you're losing money because over time these cards are going to get more valuable. They just will, and I'll prove that. I do it every video. So anyway, change it again. I apologize. But the whole point of this video is for you to be able to follow my decision making for a whole year. And of course, it's to get to $10,000. And you're like, well, there's no way you're going to get to $10,000. Well, not at the numbers now, but that's going to change. Okay. Or at least you hope it's going to change, right? So let's go look at the Splinterlands at 10,000. This is not sponsored by Splinterlands. This is just me doing it on my own. I started January 2nd. So next year by January 2nd, I want to be at 10,000. I bought 129 packs and then I stopped. I've been putting in $10 every other day. And so 674, I have total now today of out-of-pocket expense. And the value back on the 7th was 730. Here's the numbers. I'm going to go slow. My profit was at 410. And ever since then, it's come down on everything. Now, I was opening packs. The packs weren't getting me any value out of it, so the numbers kept going down. My CP, though, would still go up, so that was nice. But you can pause this and look. It's all transparent. I do every single day. But here's what happened just by me buying directly out of the market. Trust me, I love opening packs. I'm going to go back to them. But right now, if I had more money that I wanted to invest into it, I would, but my budget doesn't. This is what I got, other things going on that I just can't do anymore. So I jumped $35 in value. That's good. 128 cards, 51 in the box. That's good. But look at this, from 87,268, that's the biggest jump ever, where you're not going to get that out of a pack unless you win a gold foil something, and even then it might not be that much. So 90,028 is a new record. This dictates the free SPS I get, so there's going to be even more of that today. And if I'm jumping 3,000 or more every other day, then this is going to skyrocket too. And this is low right now. It's like 12 cents. And it was a high of 25 when I joined and an all-time high of 80 cents. So the free SPS can go back up. But look at my profit. It jumped $30 or $25 just by change. You got to be flexible in your strategy sometimes. At least I feel so. I'm not a financial advisor. Listen to me own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe. Join any of the links below. But so obviously the numbers show that's just like when I did the gold foil summoners. It's going to change your numbers, and everything went up. So obviously it's a good move. Now, when I start seeing that the prices are going up and it isn't such a good deal and it's a better deal to go get the packs, because the nice thing about the packs right now, there's literally millions of them. There's no risk of them running out anytime soon, and they're about to drop more from a different style of card. I forget the name, the Wilds or something, like something's coming out in June or July or something like that. So I'm not worried about packs. I'm always going to be able to get packs, but I won't be able to get maxed out cards for $7. Takes 400 reward cards to make a max, and I might, the way things are going, I can end up paying $5 and end up getting 2 max cards. Now, what are you doing with the max cards? Because you're not using them in battle. One, I don't have a summoner high enough to bring them in. I rent them out. I'm adding them to my rental store. So, and that's what I want to talk about today is renting. So right here, let's go back to my cards. This is Peak Monsters. You get to it through the market right here into Peak Monsters. So let's go and do rental. See, here's where it's transparent. 729, it's dropped 10 cents since the last time, 40 cents. But look at my rentals. 281 DEC a day. Okay. I want to build that up towards thousands of DEC a day because I'm keeping those cards while I'm renting them out. And while I'm renting them out, and especially the maxed out ones, over time, it's going to go up in value. For me to double my money on that investment I just made, it only has to go up to 4 cents. If I bought it at 2 cents for $8, that means if it goes to 4 cents, I'm at $16. And at that point, I can sell it and double my money minus the fee that Splinterland takes. So renting is a big part of my strategy. I have a renting division. I have the holding division, which is part of the rental, because they both, if I'm holding it, I might as well rent it out if possible, right? I mean, some cards might not. I don't waste my time renting out for less than one DC. I want to rent out for 10, 20, 30 DC, but I don't have time to be listing and keeping track of less than, I don't mess with that. But so then I got the flipping cards. Those are the cards I'm buying. I'm not renting. I'm going to flip them. And then I've got the battling cards. So I got three sections. And you can actually put some of the flipping in with the renting. Why not rent it till you sell it? The only thing is, if you want to sell it quick, you got that 24-hour window of depending on how much time's left on it once they rent it. If they rent it for 2 or more days, you can end it, but it still takes the rest of that 24 hours to get your card back. So, yeah. So this strategy is a win-win. I apologize about not having a pack to open, because I know it's fun to open a pack. It's fun to watch. But follow along, because I'll be changing my mind again. I'll be things that you just got to be flexible. Things are changing every day. This is one of the top platforms that I love because of that. They are always trying new stuff. They're not sitting on their sitting and just letting things happen, because trust me, they're already rich. Okay, they've already been successful with this platform, but they got a love and a passion for it. And you're going to get mad at this game because you're not going to win like you think you should. That's normal. But other than that, that's whether you play Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, that was always the case. I can remember many a night getting mad on Yu-Gi-Oh when my girlfriend's kids would beat my ass in the game. But so this is a long-term, unless something drastically changes, this is a platform that's going to be around for a very long time. They're the number one on the DApp store as far as the other games. And yes, they're going to have competition, but I think this is going to be one of the Amazon Googles that's going to be around after the dust settles and all that. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. There's a link down below. Come join Splinterlands. It's part of the affiliate program that they have. I get 5% of everything that you do, but out of their pocket, not yours. But you can join for free, play for free. And then if you like what you see, you put $10 in for the one-time lifetime membership called the Spell Book. You never have to buy anything again, even though you probably want to. Investing money does speed it up. But with the chest here, they designed it so you don't have to. You just saw me win a rare card on a very bad level. Bronze is a very bad level to be in for as far as rewards. Okay, you want to get up in that silver and higher. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to build my decks up. Now, I did buy a card that I wasn't using in battling, but I also have an investment strategy, and that's renting and investing. So you can only do so much, and you just do what you can. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Check me out every day. See what my rewards is right now and what I bought. And then later on, I'll go back to the packs. And if my financial situation gets a little bit better, maybe I'll go ahead and just also, maybe I'll do a pack and buy a card. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a nice day.